Hello friends, welcome to Kiko's Language School. Today we are going to learn the second 5 letters of the Hiragana alphabet. In an introduction video, we learned what Hiragana writing system is. I have put the link to that video in the description box below. If you still haven't watched it, you can take 3 minutes to watch it to get an idea about the writing systems in Japanese language. And if you haven't subscribed to Kiko's Language School, click the subscribe button and join us. Thank you. Let's begin the video. Ganbarimashou. First, let's learn how to read these letters. Repeat after me. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Now, let's learn how to write these letters. I have shown you the stroke order. If you want, you can pause the video to write them down step by step. Now, let's learn some words we can write and read using these letters. Repeat after me. Cow, buy. Kao, face. Kaku, write. Ki, tree. Aki, autumn. Kiku, listen. Oku, put. Koko, here. Akai, red. Kuki, air. Let's read them again together. Cow, kao, kaku, ki, aki, kiku, oku, koko, akai, kuki. Well done! We learned the second 5 letters of the Hiragana alphabet today, and we learned 10 words we can write using the first 10 letters. In our next video, we are going to learn the next 5 letters of Hiragana alphabet and some words we can write using them. Stay motivated. Learning something new can make it hard to keep it up, but never give up. Nothing is impossible. 夢を成功するために頑張って勉強しましょう。見てくれてありがとうございました。サブスクライブしてライクしてくださいね。